If you want to be a full-time photographer, this video is for you. If you're new here, hi, I'm Tori. I'm a full-time traveling wedding photographer. I'm going to 9 different states this year. I'm so excited. And I'm creating the videos that I wish I had 5 years ago when I was trying to get started as a photographer. I mentor photographers who I've helped go full-time. Let's get into it. First of all, we're gonna address the myth that photography is not a realistic full-time career. That is absolutely what I was told and what I thought before I actually started trying it myself. So if that's what you're thinking right now, I want you to get that idea out of your head. Photography is absolutely a realistic career. You can support your family, you can make over 6 figures, you can have more freedom, you can have flexibility, you can choose your own schedule. Photography is not only a realistic career path, but in my opinion, one that gives you a higher quality of life. So that's why I'm so passionate about teaching people that you can do this and you can be a full-time photographer, because I wish there was someone who could have told me that 5 years ago. So let's get right into it. What are the steps to going full-time? I'm gonna give you 6 steps to go full-time with photography. Number 1, and a lot of you are not gonna like this, stop putting off starting your social media account. Take it from me, I've built my Instagram up to 15K, my TikTok up to 5K, and I'm just now starting my YouTube, and I so wish that I had started my YouTube at the same time I started my Instagram and could be where I'm at with my Instagram now. Instead, I'm starting from square one. So learn from my mistakes and start your Instagram now. Stop putting it off. It's not cringe, no one's judging you, no one from high school cares what you're doing, no one is watching you like you think they are. Who cares? You're gonna build the career of your dreams. Why do we care what they think? If you're wanting to be a wedding photographer, portrait photographer, elopement, couples, seniors, families, start your Instagram account. And if you can handle it, start your TikTok account as well, because Gen Z is on TikTok, and who's getting married next? Gen Z. Instagram and TikTok, you're gonna start those accounts. You're gonna put all your effort into figuring out how to make a good post, how to make a good caption. You're gonna engage with other creators. You're gonna put all your time and effort into social media. If right now you're in the I hate social media group, get out. Social media is one of the only completely free marketing tools out there. It would be so irresponsible for you to not utilize it, and honestly just doesn't make sense. Social media is where I get the majority of my inquiries and how I've grown my entire business, so take it from me, it works. I am someone who used to be so uncomfortable talking to the camera, writing captions. I had no idea what I was doing, and social media was so exhausting to me. So if I can do it, you can do it. So that's step 1, create your social media and put your time and effort into it. Step 2, you have to have something to post on social media. So you're gonna shoot all the time. If you're not already getting bookings, you're gonna shoot for free all the time. This is controversial. Some people say that you should never shoot for free and it's devaluing yourself. I completely disagree. As a full-time photographer, I still shoot for free. I'm actually doing a shoot where I'm gonna profit $50 because I wanted to shoot at this new location. It's not devaluing yourself if you're getting something out of it too. The best advice I've ever gotten as a photographer is that if you're not already busy, make yourself busy. I want you doing at least 2 to 3 shoots a week, editing them and delivering them really quickly, and then immediately putting them on your Instagram. Make them into feed posts, make them into reels, put them on TikTok. So that's step 2, shoot for free, make yourself busy. Step 3, once you've shot a lot for free and you're starting to get inquiries, you're gonna start charging a little bit. You still wanna be busy and you still wanna be doing a lot of shoots, so you can't charge that much yet, but you're gonna charge what you feel comfortable charging and what you feel like your work is worth. If you start charging and you get no bookings, you need to lower your pricing or keep shooting for free alongside those booked shoots. That's step 3, start charging. Number 4 is work your butt off. I know this sounds like a given, but some people really start charging, get excited that they're making money, and just leave it there. That's how you're gonna pass up 70% of photographers who are just doing it as a side hustle. Once you start charging, don't stop shooting for free. Don't stop hustling. Don't stop making yourself busy. You need to keep going. Keep going, keep improving your work, and then when your work gets better and you're booked to the point where you're almost burning out, that's step 5, you're gonna raise your rates. No, I don't want you to burn out, but I'm saying don't raise your rates until you are literally getting so many inquiries that you will not be able to handle them. Then you're gonna repeat steps 4 and 5 until you're making enough money to quit your day job and go full-time. Every time you raise your rates, don't stop there. I'm telling you, every time you keep going and keep improving, keep shooting for free, keep making yourself busy, you're doing more than 70% of photographers out there, and that's how you're gonna go full time instead of keeping it as a side gig. Keep repeating that, keep hustling, keep posting on Instagram, all the things. You will get well known enough and will get enough exposure that you will be able to go full time. I believe in you. I've seen it so many times. I mentor photographers who I've helped go full-time. This is a tried and true process. It worked for me, it works for other photographers I mentor, and it will work for you. You are not the exception. Again, I'm so passionate about this because I've created the job of my dreams and working on creating the life of my dreams, and it's all because I went for it. So if this is your dream too, hit the subscribe button and I will be right there with you holding your hand every step of the way. If you want to check out my photography, go over to my Instagram. It's at Tori Elizabeth Photo. Elizabeth is with an S. You've got this. I believe in you, and I will catch you next time. Bye.